It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Okay, so I'm gonna film this little area. So we're in Barra, we're not too far from Amma Temple, and there's some kind of cool little places around here with a lot of different names, including this Phil Cafe, different apartment buildings, and we're not too far from the Navy Yards, which are across the street over that way as well. So we're gonna try to get an idea of this whole space in here. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. This is in Barra. I'll put it up on the map. So we're basically around this kind of neighborhood. It's kind of a cool little, all these little alleys and kind of cool stuff. Not too far from Amma Temple. And the Script Road Literary Festival is also happening as well. So you're going to see a little bit of that at the end. Anyways, without further ado, we also got some music. I wrote that and put it into AI, and then that's what came out. So without any further ado, let's show you what it looks like in Barra. A little slice of Macau for you. Come on, let's go take a look. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna navigate through here a little bit. See some rooftops up there, coffee shop right there. And we're gonna kind of meander around, give you an idea of this whole space, including the Navy Yards. And kind of show you this coffee shop right here. Something else is right here. Let's just walk in a little bit. But over here, there's this labyrinth of, there's a cloud gallery right there. I think that one, there's just a lot of different stuff around here. So coffee shop right there. I don't know what they'd call this. I guess it would be part of Barra, I guess. And I have filmed in this area at times, you know, just all these different streets in here. And I'll just kind of, usually I keep it combined to one street and kind of combine a few other ones. But this particular video, I'm gonna just call it maybe Barra. And I'll try to connect it with the Navy Yards. But you have all these little ones, like here's Beco do Marinheiro. So yeah, actually it could be the grounding spot. I could just call it like Marinheiro. So yeah, actually you can kind of, there's all these little tiny places that go right up, and up there is like, let me see. It's like goes up towards the mountain a little bit there. I think this one is a private home. No, flower shop. So it's actually a flower shop Monday through Sunday, 24 hours. I think we could actually go through there. It feels like somebody's house, but I think that that is actually is part of the flower shop. Then we can navigate through it. It's just kind of And there's another Beca right there, Beca de Pedra. Then that would go back down. These are rooftops. Lots of apartments right here, right? So that one goes up on the hill. This one's in the foreground. Tobacco, Beca. So these little alleys. So yeah, I don't know if somebody is a viewer. This is kind of cool how they have this. If somebody's a viewer and they know the name of this, even if it's in Chinese, it'd be pretty interesting. There must be a Portuguese translation as well. There's a nice balcony right there. Abandoned space though. But yeah, you can see all these different Beco de Pedra right there. So there's maybe at least like 7 or 8 Becos and little alleys. And we went up that one right there, so we're just gonna come back down. What I want to do is connect it all the way through with the other spots in here, which is the Navy Yards. There's a lot of interesting stuff over here for sure. So I'm gonna try to connect all those. So we're just up in this little labyrinth of interesting stuff right there. And I'm just gonna walk down this main, kind of the main street right here. I just want to show real quick. There's a kitchen down here. Here's another little Beco de Ancora, and this is a crystal shop. And my plan now is just to go over to the Barra kitchen real quick and just kind of walk in briefly while highlighting all these other spaces around here. So we started in that space right there. Nice rooftop up there. And then we're gonna walk down into the Barra kitchen area. There's a little ice cream shop. Another flower shop. I don't know what the rents are down here. I think they're trying to put more money down here, so I think the future is good. Let's just kind of walk up this way real quick. So here's another little travessa. Then down that way is the Amma temple. And this is, I think you can buy shrine stuff here, and then the Amma temple is right over there. But that's not going to be our focus here, even though it could be. What we're going to be doing is walking through here in a moment, and then tie it into all the other Navy Yards as well. But this is a new space here. And that's kind of cool. But now they have this food court stuff over here, and it goes over to the waterfront. So this is relatively new too, right here. So they're kind of building up. This part of the kitchen used to be closed. Used to be just government cars and such would be parked in that space. And we're gonna walk over here and show you this real quick. So the public bathrooms down that way. And then they have these Navy Yards, which is here, 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 and there. Barra kitchen. I did do another video where I just walked through all these. And these are these big giant balls that reflect. So of course kids are gonna like those. Okay, so this one is printmaking. And you can create some artwork as well for kids. Something for the community. So we'll just kind of meander down towards the Navy Yards a little bit more. So we're basically in this neighborhood right there. I guess I'd call it the Barra neighborhood. There's a train line that goes there now, so they're Barra public transport interchange. And then there's this one. This has an art exhibition in it. Actually, I went in here the other day, but I don't think I'll bring the camera in today. But let's kind of walk around the periphery part here. So yeah, as the name implies, this used to be where the Navy was at. And now they're slowly transforming it into something a little bit different. We're going to keep on meandering through. And then over here is the script road. Let's see. I don't know if I should bring in a camera or not. Probably should. The script road is a literary festival. I usually don't film festivals that much, but I should. But the reason I don't is because I usually just have a more preference for the streets, where I don't want to capture people off guard. But we're basically down there. And the Scripture Literary Festival is today, the last day. Which is advertised right here. I think I will walk in real quick.
So right now I'm focusing on 100 different projects by 100 different people I'm helping with. I also have work I do with Royal Asiatic Society as I'm the editor of their journal. And I'm going to do my absolute best this year to try and
Okay, so this usually once a year. This year, these are the dates. Today's actually the last day of it. So it's also down here at the Navy Yard. So let me just kind of give, up there is Pena Hill. And then we're just gonna finish this one out up here. There's the Navy Yards down that way, Barra. And now the train station is right here, so people can actually come off of the train and come directly into this area. And this train is connected to the casinos and everything else. So this is actually the Barra station, and this is gonna be transforming this whole neighborhood. So let me just walk across real quick. There we go. So now you have another idea of another slice of Macau. This is the Barra neighborhood. Now we can overlook the Barra right there. Then you can also see Pena Hill up that way, as well as the Navy Yards right there. And even all these nice buildings up in the distance as well, kind of going up the mountain a little bit. Looks like piano keys right there. That's cool. Didn't notice that before quite like that. All right, so now you have a little slice of Barra, the neighborhood, and all kinds of different little stuff like that. So let's end it right there.
You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go.